If you're the kind of person that don't like using lotion all the time and you're looking for a soap that is going to serve you without having to apply lotion on your body, then this video is for you. If you're the kind of person that maybe your skin is dull, you want to brighten up your skin, you want to tone up, you want your skin to be looking radiant, then this video is for you. If you're the kind of person that maybe you're tired of purchasing expensive lotions, expensive creams, you're looking for something affordable that is going to serve you very well, this video is for you. If you have all of these things, then this video is not for you. Okay, but if all the things I mentioned are the things that you want for yourself and more, you don't want to spend money to make anything, like you don't want to spend too much money, then this video is for you. Just keep watching this video till the very end to learn how to make this very simple and amazing soap. One thing you would do for me is to like this video so that it is going to go around, okay? And then if you have a question, leave it in the comment section. Share this video so that other people can see it. Like this video and subscribe to this channel. Now, making the soap is very simple. I'll be using the soaps that you're seeing in the mortar. This soap does not require too much, but you still need to watch it to the end to find out how I will go about it. Now, for these soaps, you can see that I have the yellow ozone soap in here. That yellow ozone soap, what it does is it lightens up the skin, it glows up the skin, and it is moisturizing as well. Now, the Kampala soap that is also here is something that clears up the skin in case you have any blemishes on your skin, you have rashes, you have dark spots. Ozone soap also helps to lighten dark spots, and then the Kampala soap helps to take care of rashes, pimples, and stuff like that. Then I also have the 3D whitening soap in there, which is the one in the orange color. Now that particular soap, what it does is it lightens up the skin. And I'm also going to add my black soap to this. Now I'm shredding this using my grater because I want the dissolving process to be very fast, right? There are many ways to dissolve your soap. I said it in my previous video, and I know that you guys already know how to dissolve your soaps. Now in here I have the botanical powders that I want to use. I'm using just 3 botanical powders, and that is turmeric powder, sandalwood powder, and camwood powder. So those 3 are the ones I'll be using. Those 3 powders have their own benefits. The turmeric powder, for people who have dull skin, you really need turmeric. Turmeric helps to glow the skin, it makes it radiant, and it works very well on the skin. And also, sandalwood powder helps to lighten up the skin. It also helps to, it's very good on the skin. Let me just put it that way. Camwood powder is like a medicine that your skin needs, especially if you have things like pimples and rashes on your skin. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, in place of water, I'm going to add a shower gel to this. Now, this shower gel is the reason why I said even if you don't want to use cream, you can use this soap alone and it will work. Just get an active shower gel that you can add, and make sure that the shower gel is moisturizing. You guys know that shower gel liquid soap is more moisturizing than tablet soaps. So make sure that you get an active shower gel. Make sure that you get a shower gel that is moisturizing, and then you add. Now shower gel, because I added this shower gel and I added it in this much quantity, I'm not going to add water to this soap. And also I told you that shower gel is moisturizing, so it is also going to serve as the oil in this soap, except you want a soap very oily. For me, I don't want this soap to be oily, so I will just leave it this way. If you want it very oily, you can now add your oil to this and concentrate. But because I don't want oil in this particular soap, I will leave it like this. This is a body and face soap. Now look at how my soap looks right now. I am still going to work on this soap, and by the time I finish working on this soap, you will see the final outcome. Now I went ahead to add 1 lime to this. I added lime, and lime is going to, you know what lime does? It lightens the skin. And not just that, for people who have pimples, lime is also very beneficial because it helps to treat pimple. Now go ahead and mix this up using the pestle. I'm going to mix this until everything becomes very smooth. Just keep watching. After mixing, this is what I have. This soap is very good, can be used on your face, can be used on the body. This should be used twice a day for maximum benefit. If you want to see results, then use this soap twice in a day, morning and evening, and you can use it on your face. It's going to work very well on your skin. You guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you want to buy skincare products, then do let me know. There's a number in the description box and a number on the screen. Chat that number up if you want to enroll for skincare training or you want to buy skincare products. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video.